Do you say, every day I run during 1 hour? Or do you say, every day I run for 1 hour? If you are not sure about the differences between during and for, don't worry. After this lesson, you will be crystal clear about it. We use during plus a noun to talk about when something happens. With during, we answer to the question when. For example, some people got lost during the journey. I will finish the book during the summer break. Most burglaries happen during the night. However, we use for to say how long something happens. With for, we answer to the question how long. For example, we have known each other for a long time. We use for plus the length of time to say how long something happens. With for, we answer to the question how long. For example, we have known each other for a long time. I waited for more than 1 hour, but finally I left. He worked in this company for over 20 years. So, the difference between during and for is that during refers to when something happens, whereas for refers to how long something happens. Compare the following examples. Every day I run for 1 hour. Here you answer to the question how long do you run? I usually run during the summer. Here we answer to the question when do you run? You could also say I usually run during the evening for 1 hour every day.